Okay guys, so the second dish has arrived. This is our snapper, cut in the middle, open and fried, not fried, grilled. And we have the calamari here. Okay, hello guys. So here's the thing. ESSAOUIRA, whatever it's called, has 3 fish markets. One is a little bit before the port, the most expensive. They charge you by pair 250 grams of fish.
Yes.
Right after that, it has the port where is a big fish market. You can see the video before. And over there they also cook if whatever you buy, but that's also quite expensive.
And it's kind of dirty.
And kind of dirty, you can see in the video. But there is one real fish market, which is the locals fish market, and we found it.
Yes.
Now, if you'll search in the internet, you'll find it as well, but if you watch this video, it'll be a bit easier to find it.
Yeah.
So, here's a gate that might help you, and here's the other gate that might help you. Yeah? So you come through, you get to this street with bazaar with a lot of clothes and stuff, and you'll see some fish stops on the way, which are also very nice.
It's always straight from the entrance,
Yeah.
since the entrance of the up to the Medina,
yeah,
no?
Yeah, but whoever wasn't here, it wouldn't help them which entrance. But when you're here, you just go through the entrance and you'll find it. It's not that difficult to find. Look on the internet, and this is the real fish market. So we'll go in. Hopefully people won't mind us videoing. If they do, then we'll show you the
fish.
product, the end product. But you buy the fish fresh and you give it here to a restaurant and they cook it for you.
Yes.
Which we ate in the morning, sardines. It was amazing.
Yeah, it was 10 dirham.
Yeah.
For
about a kilo.
About a kilo of sardines.
Even maybe a little bit more, and then 10 dirham to cook it, another 20 dirham for 1 Sprite and 1 Coke, and we took tea, and they give you bread and sauce. Everything together with tip was 60 dirham.
Yeah, including buying the fish.
Including
and
buying the fish and everything. Okay, so we'll go in and we'll show you. Hopefully nobody would mind that we're videoing. If so, we'll show you the end product.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go in.
Let's go.
Now you can also buy spices. Inside they have spices that you can buy. Ça va? Salam. Yeah, so over here you can buy spices and you can ask them to use the spices in your fish. We personally like only salt and lemon. Good enough for us. Hello. No shukran. Yeah, so here you have different shops for spices, for different kind of memorandum that if you want.
You said Viagra Moroccan.
Yes, they have that as well. They have that as well. I don't know if it's Viagra, but we don't.
We don't need that, but it's funny.
And here's a sleeping cat. The cats here are very happy. The seagulls are very happy. Now I think
they're very, very fat.
they are. Now I think the market is about to close, so we better buy our stuff. So this market is a lot smaller than the one at the port, but this is the original one where the locals come and eat. So we're going to pick our snapper and a few shrimps and a few calamari, and we're going to indulge ourselves, right? Let's go. Ta-da. No snapper. Right, for both of us. Okay, so we're going to negotiate a price for this fella here, and we're going to turn off the camera for the negotiation, otherwise we will pay more.
Yeah.
And we'll see you with the finished product.
Yes, we will.
Hopefully this one will be on our plate.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll see you soon. Okay guys, so the first dish has arrived. We have beautiful prawns, and this red sauce is fire. This is fire, yeah? But it's really good. It's really good, but it's fire. And here we have the prawns. Look at this. Amazing.
They look spectacular.
And they smell
They
amazing.
smell amazing.
So we're going to start by eating this before
Yes.
the other one comes. And we'll show you every single thing that comes. We still have the snapper,
Yes.
and we have some calamari,
calamari.
baby calamari.
Yes.
Yes.
Take
okay.
this out because that
This
will
is a
keep me-
fire agent. Okay, so we'll see you when the other stuff comes. We're going to dig in.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So the second dish has arrived. This is our snapper, cut in the middle, open and fried. Not fried, grilled.
Grilled.
And we have the calamari here. Calamari. And so,
It's amazing.
oh yeah. So we've already ate almost all the prawns while waiting for this one, which was less than a minute, right?
Yes.
They're amazingly fresh, amazingly good. The only thing that I'm sorry about is that we don't have more.
Yeah. Wow.
But we'll come back here tomorrow as well.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so it's not that I don't want to talk to you guys more, but I want to eat more than I want to talk to you guys.
Yes.
So I do appreciate anybody who's watching this, but look at this fish. Come on. So we'll talk to you again when we're finished.
Yes, we
Okay,
are.
so we'll see you soon
See you soon.
with empty plates.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So this is how the fish looks after.
Yeah.
We have eaten every single piece of meat on this fish. Maya, our baby, also loved this fish,
Yes.
and we are
does.
extremely happy. So this is what it looks like after. This is definitely the place to come to. The fish is fresh, the people are nice, they cook amazing, and this whole thing. And we didn't get the bill yet, but it's going to come out to about, with the fish, with the cooking, with the drinks, with the tea that we're going to order soon.
Yes.
It's going to come out to about 120, 130 dinar.
Because the fish we bought
Was a snapper and a big one.
Snapper is a big one and it's an expensive.
But even expensive, 130, about 12, 13 euros for what we've eaten here,
Yes.
with the drinks and tea. Come on,
And
it's a steal.
And it's more than
It's a
enough
steal.
for two people.
Oh yeah, it's more than enough for two people.
Yeah.
So if you're here in ESSAOUIRA, I said it right. Yeah.
Yes, fine.
Yes. In ESSAOUIRA, you have to come to this fish market.
Yes, and
This is the place to eat.
and you can, if you're staying here for a couple of days, you can go to a different restaurant.
A different
today.
restaurant, so you can see which one cooks differently. And we are going to come here again tomorrow, which is our last day. So we're going to eat here again tomorrow. And I'll try to remember to video the way in. So if you are here, you'll find it easily.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, guys. So we had a lot of fun. I haven't been this excited from food since I was a kid, I think. Hopefully, if you're here, you'll be excited as well. And hopefully, you're excited by watching this video.
Yes.
So if you are watching this video, as always, we appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Please comment. We always answer in any language you want. There's Google Translator. We have no problem using it. And we will answer back.
Oh, merci, merci.
Merci. Babe. Okay. Take it back. Okay, guys. So we'll see you later. Nos vemos y nos vamos.
Nos vemos y nos vamos.
Adiós.